Hi, welcome back to the channel. So today we are hanging drywall. Started the other day and we got most of it done, but now they're hanging it in the living room with a vaulted ceiling. So you can see, working on it right now, getting that ceiling done in the sides. So to do this, they added caulk, some type of adhesive caulk that allows the board to stay up while they nail and everything. See them trimming it, getting it just right so it fits perfectly in that end, and starting to screw. Yeah, so